Hey guys, so we just kind of got a big bonus here. We found this canoe and we went up to the owners of that house over there and we asked them if we could use it and they said yes. So we're gonna hop in this canoe and go fish the rest of this lake. We had a kind of minor setback though because we forgot to put the plug in, so we got the plug in now and hopefully we can get it done. So this is the first fish of the day. About pound and a half, 2 pounds right there, about 16 inches. Caught it on a square bill crankbait right next to this little eddy right here. Gonna get a release on it. Good fish, first one of the day. There he goes. I just caught a really nice bass on his 10-inch worm right up against the bank. About 2 pounds right here. A good one. I'm gonna get a release on him. All right, here we go. There you go. There you go.
In the eye.
Hey, put some drag. You gotta break your rod doing that. You gotta put some drag on it. Push the drag button. I mean the release. Push the button. Thank you. All right, here, bring it to me. Good fish landed. Finally caught a fish.
That's it.
Okay.
Dude, I knew I got in a bite right there. I was like,
However you want to do it. Oh, there's a bite. Got it. No, it's not.
dang, he stuffed that thing.
Dude, right when I threw in there, it just was like hung up sorta. And then, dude, 10 inches of worm is in his mouth. 10 inches of worm.
Gosh, I've never seen that before.